Good morning students. Last class I taught you how to draw the 3D shapes and properties of 3D shapes. Okay. Today we will see the practice sums. Okay. For first one, for your practice match the followings. Okay. Left side you have the pictures and middle you have the names and right hand side you have the pictures. Okay. Double side match it. First we take left hand side. Okay mom. See here, first one is look like a book. Okay, so what is the shape of this book? It's look like a what, mom? Say the answer. It's look like cuboid. Okay, see where is the cuboid here? See first one cone, second one cube, third one cylinder, fourth one sphere, fifth one cuboid. Okay, so you draw the line for here. Okay, this book look like a cuboid shape, so match it. Okay, see here how to find out this one cuboid. See closely, watch every side we have the rectangle and height also available, look like a box. Okay, so like that means what is this? This is a cuboid, so match it here. Okay ma. Next one, what is this? Cone eyes. Okay, already we have the name. Okay, so what is this? Cone eyes, so it is look like a cone. Okay, so match here cone, already here match it, so you don't match this one. Okay mom. Next one, ball. Okay, this ball look like what shape ma? It is look like a spear. Okay, where is the spear? Here is spear. Okay, so match. Next, dice. Okay, we are using this dice and playing. Okay, so this is a one kind of playing things. It is look like a cube. Okay, so where is the cube? Second one, so match. Okay ma, draw the line using the scale. After, see this one, what is this thread bundle? Okay mom, so what is the shape? It is look like a cylinder. Okay, so match here. Okay, that's all. Now you come to right hand side, so this part is over. Now you come to right hand side. Okay ma, see here, what is this? This is cube. Okay, all the sides we have square shape and look like a box means it is look like what? Cube. So match. So draw the line here. After this tin. Okay, cool drinks tin. It is look like what shape mom? Cylinder shape. Okay, so match this one. Okay, next is suitcase. What is the shape of this suitcase? See, rectangle shape and box like means what is this? Cuboid. Okay, where is the cuboid? Here, last one, so match this one. Okay, after, see this cone, what is this? Look like a cone. Okay ma, so you match here. Next shape, uh, this one. Okay, globe. Okay, what is this shape? It is look like a spear. Okay, so match here. Okay ma, so this page, if you have book means this page complete. Okay ma, this one pay your homework, so neatly draw the line. Okay. Seema, next one, complete the following table by filling the properties of 2D and 3D shapes. Okay, ma. See, we have 2D shapes and 3D shapes and their properties. Okay, total you have 9 pictures, 2D and 3D both also mingle and giving. Okay, see first one figure 2D or 3D now mentioned here. Next name of the shape, next number of sides, number of edges, number of corners, next number of diagonals. Okay, see first picture is a rectangle. Okay, rectangle is 2D or 3D? Rectangle is a 2D shape. So write the name rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Okay, now number of sides. We know that how many sides in a rectangle? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so number of sides is 4. Okay, next number of edges. Okay, see ma, this is called edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see here this edges word we are using in 3D shape. Here edge and side both also same, so don't mention this one. Okay, next number of corners. How many corners? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corners. Okay ma, see edges and sides more or less same. Okay, see how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can write here 4. Okay ma. Next number of diagonals. We know that how many diagonals is. See, 1, 2. Already you know this one. Okay ma, so 2 diagonals. Okay ma. Next, triangle. Okay, that is a 2D shape. Okay, what is the spelling of triangle? Triangle, triangle. Okay, see here spelling mistake ma. So what is the answer? Tri here, right I, after A. Okay, so you change it. Triangle, triangle. Okay, number of sides. We know that how many sides? See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 sides. Number of edges. Edges, sides means pakkam. Okay, edges means vilimbu. So the sides we consider as a edges also. Okay, இது என்னன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம், edge கூட வச்சுக்கலாம். So what? 1, 2, 3. Okay ma. So விளிம்பு, edge means விளிம்பு, sides means pakkam. இங்க 2D shapesக்கு ரெண்டுமே same தான். Okay, so that one also 3. Next, number of corner. How many corner? 1, 2, 3. So 3 corners. Okay, next, how many diagonals? There is no diagonals because opposite corner join means only we will get the diagonals. Okay, here we cannot join the opposite corner. So what is that? That is dash. Okay, no diagonals. Okay ma. So 3 sides, 3 edges, 3 corners. Next is a circle. Okay, so circle is a 2D shape. What is the spelling of circle? C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Okay, so number of sides. Circle means we don't have sides, corners, edges, anything. Okay, because that is a curved shape. Okay, so everything you put dash. Okay ma. No sides, no edges, no corners, and no diagonals. Only it has radius and center point and diameter, everything. Okay, so these things not available, so put a dash. Next one is a square. So square is a 2D shape. So what is the spelling of square? S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Okay, so how many sides? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Next, how many edges? This sides consider as edges also, so that is 4. Next, number of corners. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corner. And we know that how many diagonals? Same, how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. See, this one diagonal, after this one diagonal. So totally we have 2 diagonals in a square. Next one is a triangle. Okay, see here, next picture, triangle is a 2D shape. What is the spelling? T-R-I. Again one mistake. This one T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Okay, so you change it in your book. That is a spelling mistake. See, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Okay, so how many sides? As usual, 3 sides, 3 edges, and 3 corners, and no diagonals. Okay ma'am. Next one is a rectangle. Okay, so rectangle is also 2D shape. How many sides? 4 sides. How many corner? How many edges? 4. How many corners? That one also 4. Next, 2 diagonals. Already we know that. Next one is a cube. See ma, cube is a 3D shape. We know that. What is the spelling of cube? C-U-B-E, cube. Okay, now number of sides. Here sides consider as a faces. Okay, so 3D shape means we have the faces. So how many faces? We know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 faces. Next, number of edges. We know that how many edges in a cube? 12 edges. See, this one is called what? Edges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 4. After a 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges? 12 edges. Next, number of corners. How many corners? See, this one is a corner. Okay ma'am. So how many corners? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, top side we have 4 and bottom 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 corners. That means vertices. Okay, so 8. Next, number of diagonals. Okay, see, in a cube we have 6 squares. Okay, 6 square faces. See, top 1 square, bottom, left, right, front, and back. So totally 6. Okay ma. Now each square has 2 diagonals. Okay, now see, top side we have 2 diagonals, and bottom we have 2 diagonals, and left side we have 2 diagonals, and right side also we have 2, and front side we have 2, and back side we have 2. So totally how many? 6 2s are 12. Okay, see, here 2, here 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, so totally 12 diagonals of the faces. Okay, after inside, see that square is a ball, look like a box. Okay, that box inside we have 4. Okay, see one, this corner and this corner. So 1, after 2, next 3, after this corner, so 4. So totally how many inside diagonals? 4. After face diagonal 12. So totally 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 diagonals. Total diagonals is 16. Face diagonals are 12. Okay, face diagonal na வெளிப்பக்கம். Okay, வெளிப்பக்கம் நமக்கு 12 diagonals இருக்கு. உள்ள, okay, inner side we have the 4 diagonals. So totally 16 diagonals. Okay ma, and cuboid. So cuboid also same property. How many faces? 6 faces. How many edges? 12 edges. Okay, this line is edge already you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12 edges. After corners, top side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 corner, bottom also 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. After diagonals also 16. See ma, this is look like a what? Cuboid. Okay, top side we have 2 diagonals. Okay, and front side also we have 2 diagonals, and bottom 2. So totally we have 6. Okay ma, so 6 2s are 12. After this is look like a box. So inside you open means you can draw the 4 diagonals. Okay, so inside you open means you can draw the 4 diagonals. Opposite corners join means you will get 4. So totally 12. After inside 4, so 12 plus 4, 16. Okay, so outside face diagonals are 12. After inside 4. So totally 16 diagonals. Next one, what is the shape? It is sphere. Okay, so that is a 3D shape. What is the spelling of sphere? S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay, so sphere has how many sides? There is no sides, but we have only one face. Okay, so one face. What is that face? Some curved surface. Okay ma, so only one face, that is not a side, we can mention that is a face. Okay, so one face. After no edges, next no corners, no diagonals. Okay ma, this is not side, that is a face. Okay, so outer side we can see means that is a sphere, that is a curved surface. Okay, வளைந்த பகுதி. Okay ma, so one face. Okay ma, so if you have book you complete this page. Okay ma, so properly you write all the answers. Okay, so that's all your first lesson. Okay, next you have the second lesson. See ma, next your lesson, new lesson, numbers lesson. Okay ma, see you need to numbers. Okay, see we have the picture. Okay, see we have the picture. What are the pictures? Rose and this white color flower and this type of flowers. Okay, this is look like a lake. Okay, see ma, look at the above picture and answer the following. Okay, this picture see and you can write the following details. Okay, see first one, flowers. Left side we have the flowers. First one rose, after this white color flower, after this is look like a sunflower. Okay, so totally we have 3 flowers. Now number and number name of flowers you can write here. Okay, for example, first you count the rose. Okay, see ma, 1 2 3 4 5 6, after 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So totally how many roses? 20 roses. So write the number. So what you mention here? Number 20. After write the number name also. Okay, you already know the number names. That means that spelling of the number is called number name. Okay, so what is the spelling of 20? C T W E N T-Y, 20. Okay, next flower, what is this? This white color flower. Okay, now you count and write 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So totally we have 15 white color flowers. Okay, so you can write the spelling. See what is the spelling? F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Okay, ma? So white color flower is 15. See this kind of flowers. Now you count, ma. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so totally how many flowers? 10 flowers. Okay, so you write here 10. What is the spelling of 10? What is the number name? T-E-N. 10. Okay, next is Seema. Second one. Fill in the blanks in each of the figures with missing numbers. Okay, these everything now we are revising. Okay, see here, fill in the blanks in each of the figures with missing numbers. Okay, see here we have the dashes. Okay, first number is 51, after 3 number is missing, after 55 next 4 number is missing. Now find out the number. Okay, see 51 after what is the number of after number of 51? 51 after 52. Okay, 52 after 53, after 54, next 55, next one 55 is available, so no need to write this one. Next 55 after 56, 57, next one 58, next 59, 59 after number is 60. Okay, everything given. Okay, ma'am. Next see the B sum. 75 dash 77 dash 79. Okay, 75 before that we have 1 dash. Okay, now 75 is the number. Okay, what is this before number of 75? 75 before 75 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன number இருக்கும்? So 75 before number is 5 before what? 4. So 74. Okay, now you say 74, 75 after 76, 76 after 77, 77 after. First you see the dash ma. First before that available, otherwise after available see. Okay, first dash முன்னாடி இருக்கா இல்லை பின்னாடி இருக்கான்னு யோசிச்சு எழுதணும். ஓகே, 75க்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு டேஷ், அப்போ 5க்கு முன்னாடி நம்பர் என்ன இருக்கும்? 4 இருக்கும். அப்போ 70னா இங்கே 70, 5க்கு முன்னாடி 74, அடுத்து 75க்கு பின்னாடி டேஷ் இருக்குது. அப்போ 75க்கு அடுத்து என்ன வரும்? 76 after 77. Next 77 after number is 78. Next 79 is already given, so no need to write. Okay, that's all. Next see some C 5. See this arrow mark. Next arrow mark here after 10. 5 after 6 only coming, but 10 given. So here using some pattern. Okay, so what kind of pattern? Now you find out. லிசன், 2 நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்பர் 5 இருக்குது. அடுத்து நமக்கு ஆஃப்டர் நம்பர்னால் 6 தான் வரணும். ஆனால் இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? 10. அப்போனா இங்கே ஒரு பேட்டர்ன் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அது என்ன பேட்டர்னு ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இந்த 2 நம்பரையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணுங்கள். 5 ஆஃப்டர் வாட்? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the difference? 5 is the difference. Okay, so 5க்கும் 10க்கும் என்ன difference இருக்குது? 5 நம்பர் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிருக்கு. அப்போது இந்த ஃபுல் பேட்டர்ன் ஃபுல்லாக என்ன இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? +5 ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, see 5 plus 5, what answer? 10. Okay, 10 after 5 number add. So 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so totally what? 15. Again 15 after 20 given. Okay, so again 5 add. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that 20 only given here. Okay, 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you can add 5 number, means what is the answer? 25. Okay, 25 after 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, so you can write 30 here. 30 after 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So what you write here? 35. After 5 add means 40. Okay, 40 after 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So what is the answer? 45. So in this full series, what you write? +5 add and complete this sum. Okay, ma? See the third sum. Complete the given facts by placing plus for addition and minus for subtraction. Okay, plus symbol means what you write? that means addition. Okay, how to write the plus symbol? See, write 1 after one horizontal line. So this is plus. How to write the minus? This one. Okay, so minus. One dash like coming now. So this is minus. Plus for addition. Okay, addition sum means we can using plus. Subtraction sum means we can use minus. Okay, see here we have two numbers. 9 dash 3 is equal to 12. 9 dash 3 is equal to 12. See, question is 9 and 3. இந்த ரெண்டையும் என்ன பண்ணனா நமக்கு 12 கிடைக்கும். ஆட் பண்ணா 12 கிடைக்குமா, சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா 12 கிடைக்குமான்னு பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ கேன் புட் plus symbol here. Okay, so 9 ஓட 3 ஆட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. So what happened? 9 after 10, 11, 12. So இங்க என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம்னா ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகே, so 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Next listen, 80 dash 11 is equal to 91. Question 80 and 11 ஆன்சர் என்ன ஆயிருக்கு? இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு, அதிகமாயிருக்கு. ஸோ ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் சேர்க்கும் போது நமக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும்? ஆன்சர் அதிகமாக கிடைக்கும். ஸோ அப்போ இங்கே டெஃபினட்டாக என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்? ப்ளஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஓகே, ஸோ 80 plus 11 போட்டு பாருங்கள். 80 plus 11. ஓகே, 0 plus 1 1, 8 plus 1 9. ஸோ வாட் ஆன்சர்? 91. அப்போ இங்கே நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்? ப்ளஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் சேர்க்கும் போது நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ப்ளஸ் சிம்பிள். ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் சேர்த்தா நமக்கு ஆன்சர் அதிகமாக கிடைக்கும். ஸோ 91. ஓகேம்மா, ஸோ ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் நமக்கு என்ன கிடச்சிருக்கு? 91 கிடச்சிருக்கு. ஓகே, அடுத்து பாருங்கள் 56 21. இங்கே ஆன்சர் என்ன ஆயிருக்கு? இங்கே 56 கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் வந்து 35 நமக்கு குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. அப்போ நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக இங்கே என்ன பண்ணியிருப்போம்? மைனஸ் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஓகே, சி 56 minus 21 is equal to 35. இந்த ஆன்சரை வச்சு நம்ம ப்ளஸ் போட்டிருக்குமா மைனஸ் போட்டிருக்குமான்னு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். எப்படி? இங்கே 56 கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, இங்கே ஆன்சர் 35. அப்போ ஆன்சர் நமக்கு குறைவாக இருக்குது. அப்போ என்ன போட்டிருப்போம்? இங்கே மைனஸ் போட்டிருப்போம். ஓகே, ஆன்சர் அதிகமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன போட்டிருப்போம்? ப்ளஸ் பண்ணியிருப்போம்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகேம்மா, now question and answer given. Now you can find out the sign. Okay, plus or minus or that one you can find out. Now 56 minus 21. Okay, so see 56 minus 21. Okay, 6 from 1 subtract means already you know subtraction, addition, everything you studied in your second standard level. Okay, now 6 from 1 subtract means what answer? 5. 5 from 2 subtract means what answer? 3. So our answer is 35. So definitely what you done there? Subtract. So subtraction symbol. Okay ma, next see 92 dash 20 is equal to 72. So see, question is 92 and the answer is 72. So this one decreasing, அது மேலே குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. ஓகே, அப்போ இங்கே என்ன பண்ணியிருப்போம்? கண்டிப்பாக ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் நம்ம சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஓகே, சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் மீன்ஸ் டேக் அவே, இந்த நம்பர்லேருந்து இந்த நம்பரை குறைச்சிருப்போம். அடிஷன் மீன்ஸ் இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் சேர்த்துருப்போம். ஓகேம்மா, ஸோ 92 minus 20. So what answer? 2 from 0 subtract means 2. 9 from 2 subtract means 7. So what is the answer? 72 coming. So what you do here? Minus. Next listen, 12 dash 3 is equal to 9. Okay, see our question. Question is 12. That is big number. Answer is 9. That is small number. அப்போ இங்கே என்ன பண்ணியிருப்போம்? நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக இந்த 3யை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஓகே, ஸோ 12 minus 3 is equal to what answer? 9. Next 75 dash 17 is equal to 92. See here 75 is the question, but answer see 92. அப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் நம்ம என்ன தான் பண்ணியிருப்போம்? சேர்த்துருப்போம். ஸோ ஆட் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஆட் பண்ணால் தான் நமக்கு இங்கே பெரிய நம்பர் கிடைக்கும். ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் தான் இங்கே நமக்கு சின்ன நம்பர் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ வாட் யூ டூ ஹியர்? 75 plus 17 is equal to 92. See here 75 plus 17. Okay, add 5 plus 7. What answer? 12. Remainder 1. So 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. So what answer? 92. So definitely what you do here? Addition symbol. Okay ma, this everything carefully you write it in your book, this page and this pages. Okay ma, thank you. Next class we will see.